When fitness meets organic gardening. Alright, just putting in one of the last one for tonight. It happens to be regiment spinach. Here are some of the seeds right here, straight out of high mowing organic seeds. Alright, out of Vermont. So all we do is we poke a hole here, and a hole here, and a hole here, and a hole here, and a hole here. And then we just drop one in. Drop. 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 And drop. What I also like to do, I make a little space in between just in case the first one goes in and doesn't catch. And I add one more. Alright, this is spinach. But as you could see, if you read the labels, all these guys were done the last, I would say, couple hours. So we have here leek, we have artichoke, over here we have broccoli, here we have mustard, greens and Asian greens, with some of the names you might see, like this one is that, and some of the other ones. This is a Yakomo Asian green, and on this side we have, oh, I forgot, we also have cabbage. See how that goes this year. I planted a lot more than usual, and the first time some artichokes. All right, so all from these companies. We got the West Coast seed, we got High Mowing Organics, and we also have Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. All right, great companies. Have other ones which I'll mention later on. Right, guys? Okay, so let the organic gardening begin. You guys ready? Have a good night, guys. So plan now for an amazing harvest all season long.